Greetings, linguistic aficionados. Welcome to another episode on our channel. Today we're submerging ourselves in the captivating universe of English words, specifically to unravel the longest word ever documented. Stay tuned as we demystify this linguistic phenomenon. Before we reveal the longest word, ponder over what makes a word long. In English, the length could be gauged by the count of letters. However, it's not merely about the numbers. The longest words are often born from diverse linguistic roots and fulfill particular functions. Firstly, consider some timeless contenders. Numinoltre microscopic silico-volcan oconiosis, often regarded as one of the longest words in the English language, is a term used to describe a specific lung disease. This tongue twister comprises 45 letters. Chemistry offers a fair share of lengthy words too. Take methionylthreonylthreonylthreonylthr-eonylisyleucine, for instance. This word, with 26 letters, refers to an amino acid sequence in the protein, titin, found within muscle cells. Medical jargon also contributes some linguistic behemoths. Pseudo-hypoparathyroidism, a 30-letter term, describes a condition that mimics the symptoms of pseudo-hypoparathyroidism, but with normal calcium levels. Of course, discussing long words would be incomplete without the mention of supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Though not a technical term, this fanciful creation from Mary Poppins has a whopping 34 letters. But which word claims the title as the longest in the English language? Cue the drum roll. It's Numinoltre microscopic silico-volcan oconiosis. Yes, the same lung disease term we touched upon earlier. Quite the linguistic marathon, isn't it? Thank you for accompanying us on this exploration into the world of long words. Language is a dynamic tapestry, with these lengthy words adding a unique strand to its richness. If you found this journey intriguing, remember to like, subscribe, and share our content. Until our next rendezvous, continue diving into the wonders of language.